Okay, so when you're buying pillows, there's a few things you need to know, mainly two things, okay? So the first thing you're gonna look for when you buy a pillow is the profile. So the profile just refers to the thickness of the pillow. So you can come as a low profile pillow, a medium profile, or a high profile pillow. This just determines how much actual material is there. The second thing you're gonna look for is the feel of the pillow, okay? So this can come as soft, like this, medium, or it can come as firm, like this. This just refers to how much give there is. So when you rest on it, if it actually kind of compresses or not. So the main thing when you're buying pillows is you want to be as comfortable as possible when you're actually sleeping. And this was really determined by your preferred sleeping position. So everyone prefers to sleep, either on your back, on your side, or on your stomach. And the main thing with the pillow is to support the neck. So when you're actually lying down for a good night's sleep, it should feel like you're kind of just standing up, but on a bed. Okay, so everything should be nice and neutral. You shouldn't really feel any pressure. You shouldn't feel any kind of bending in your neck at all when you're trying to get a good night's sleep. So given that, let's start on sleeping on your back. This really depends on your kind of posture when you're sleeping. So if you have a really kind of small body and when you're lying completely flat, your head can comfortably touch the bed, you don't really need that much support, okay? So you can get away with a low to medium profile pillow, okay? And the feel just depends on your comfort level. So if you feel pretty natural and normal just sleeping on a flat bed or a flat floor, soft to medium feel is pretty safe. If you're sleeping on your side, you do want something that bridges the gap between your shoulder and your neck when you're lying down. So something like a medium to high profile pillow. And as you sleep, you should feel, again, very comfortable, kind of like you're just sitting up like this, but obviously on your side. For me, I am a side sleeper, so I do use a medium profile pillow with a medium kind of feel. So with the feel, it doesn't compress too much, so it does keep my head nice and supported as I sleep. A quick tip though, if you're lying on your side and you don't want to invest in a new pillow, what you can do is you can roll up a towel and put it under your pillow just to give you that nice support. And this kind of tailors how much support you can actually put under your pillow. So it's going to save you a little bit of money, but it's also going to give you the right positioning that you want at home. And last and most importantly is if you sleep on your stomach, you can get away with a low profile pillow or even no pillow, okay? Most of the time people will sleep with their hand under their head. If you do need a tiny bit of support, you can get away with just using a towel. That's probably the best way to keep you supported. But the main thing with pillows is it should feel very comfortable. If you can't lie there for more than 10 minutes without feeling any pain, you're not going to be able to handle more than 8 hours without feeling any pain. So this is a good way to just figure out which pillow works best for you. When you do go, shopping for pillows, it's always good to try it. They should let you kind of sleep on it or lie on it on the store. They wouldn't open the package just to be hygienic, but they should let you try it before you purchase it. And that's how you know which pillow works best for you. So give that a go. If you know someone who needs this video, please send it to them. And if you did learn something, please consider leaving a like. All right, we'll see you soon.